In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your database layout in Notion. With options such as table, board, timeline, calendar, list, and gallery views, users can tailor their databases to accommodate different types of information and enhance productivity. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing projects, or cataloging information, the Notion database layout offers a user-friendly and adaptable environment to efficiently store, retrieve, and analyze data. To change the layout of a database in Notion, you can follow these steps. Hover over the top right corner of the database and click the three little dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Click Layout. You can select different view options such as Table, Board, Timeline, Calendar, List, or Gallery view. Choose the desired layout for your database. Depending on the selected layout, you can further customize the appearance and organization of the database. For example, in the Gallery view, you can change the card preview and the card size. You can also adjust the sorting and filtering options for the database by clicking the Sort and Filter buttons in the top right corner of the database. By following these steps, you can easily change the layout of a database in Notion to suit your specific needs and preferences. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.